Driving a Cadillac Escalade but waiting tables? People call it a paradox, but it's actually the peak of smart thinking. At a cozy little coffee shop in Portland, there's an older gentleman in his 60s, always smiling, neatly dressed, polite to every customer. Every day, someone notices him pulling up in a polished Cadillac Escalade before clocking in to serve coffee and clear tables. One day, a curious customer finally asked, "Sir, you drive a Cadillac Escalade. Why are you working here as a waiter?" The man smiled and replied, "Give me $2 and I'll tell you." The guy chuckled, handed him the bill. The man leaned in and said, "People ask me this every single day. Now you know where the money for the car comes from." Then he walked off with the tray in hand, leaving the customer stunned. On his day off, the man took a walk around a park. He noticed a young guy sitting on a bench, head down, eyes red, holding a crumpled debt notice in his hand. Turns out, the kid was a senior in college who had just failed his third startup attempt. $3,000 in debt and too ashamed to call his parents. The man listened, then said, "Don't lose hope just yet. I have an idea for how you can make money fast. No big capital needed. Just follow my lead." Skeptical but desperate, the student nodded. The man asked, "Why do people buy lemonade or iced tea from street vendors?" "It's not just thirst. It's because they see others buying it." So he laid out a plan. Buy a small mobile lemonade cart, battery powered, something easy to push around, paint it bright green, put a huge sign on it, "Lucky Lemonade, every cup wins." Each $3 cup comes with a spin the wheel chance to win a tissue pack, a keychain, or a free drink. The student asked, "Why not just offer a discount? A cup sells for $3. Aren't those little prizes kind of cheap? Wouldn't that turn people off instead of attracting them?" The man laughed. "Not really. People love the thrill of winning more than getting a discount. Even a small prize that only costs you 50 cents makes them feel lucky, and happy people come back for more. Let's break down the numbers. Each cup of lemonade costs 75 cents to make. Each prize costs about 50 cents. So the total cost per sale is $1.25. You sell each cup for $3. That's $1.75 in profit per cup. Sell 200 cups a day, and you're making $350 in profit daily." Now this part is key, the man added. Once someone spins the wheel once, they'll almost always want another shot. That's when you gently tell them, if they record a video of your lemonade cart and share it on TikTok, they'll get one more free spin. It's a win-win. Your cart goes viral because it's creative and fun. That's free marketing. People love sharing clever stuff. Hire a few other students, each with a cart. After 1 month, you're not just debt-free, you've got a business. 3 weeks later, one of the students' TikToks hit 1 million views. Lucky Lemonade went viral. He paid off his debt, then landed a partnership with a national boba tea chain. He found the old man again and asked, "Did you study business? How are you this sharp?" The man smiled. "Making money isn't hard," he said. "You just create something simple, something joyful, an experience people want to pay for." Then he reached into his bag and handed him something. "Your lemonade cart? Brilliant. Brilliant. But that's just the start," he said. "Most people figure out how to earn, but never how to manage. That's why they stay stuck. They chase money, but don't know how to keep it. They build quickly, only to watch it vanish just as fast. Making money is one skill," he continued, "but this will teach you how to keep it, grow it, and build a life where money works for you." He handed the student a book, "I Will Teach You to Be Rich" by Ramit Sethi. That night, the young man sat on his dorm bed and opened it. At first, it felt like just another flashy money book, empty promises and recycled ideas. But a few pages in, it felt like the author was speaking directly to him. No business models, no gimmicks, just clarity, freedom, and control. One chapter showed him how to automate his finances, saving and investing without lifting a finger. Another explained investing in a way that made him wonder why no teacher ever broke it down like this. Then he hit the line that changed everything. Spend extravagantly on what you love, as long as you cut mercilessly on what you don't. No guilt, no shame, just permission to live on your own terms. By midnight, he wasn't thinking about lemonade anymore. He was picturing systems, money flowing in silently, investments compounding in the background, a life where work was a choice, not a necessity.